Jesus in its history.
Yeah, samurai. We should have a duck dance. What? This is acceptable here? How about long riding?
Yeah, how about I dance?
This is singing?
So people can become better at it, you know? No! We need food to survive! Therefore, the those people to take part. Duh!
No. Well, food causes stomach ache, and right now
Children, please stop arguing over such trivial things. How about we?
Get your head on. Commander-in-Chief of a big ship flying high.
Flying high.
And this pretty little missile shot me out.
we should do a workshop about Hmong medicine and its history.
Yeah, Hmong medicine is taken.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's still.
Girl, my grandma uses it on me all the time.
Please. What's wrong with my face? Taking my back.
I think you're forming wrinkles.
Fire! You can look up. I told you I don't want my girls dealing with this silly conference. Girls, get practice.
Sue, this is their chance to become more than just dancers.
I don't have time for you.
Wait, can I ask you something?
What, are you trying to get me off my feet?
No, I wanted to ask if maybe you want to do a workshop on traditional dance since you are a dance instructor.
Oh, yes, and if you instruct that workshop, it's going to be really fun. Please, we want to stay in the committee. Well, if I get my own snack bar and my own helper, because I am the champion.
Alright everybody, today was a good day. Let's go. We'll meet again tomorrow.
I'm cheeky.
Rachel.